Hello my dear students, good morning everyone. كل عام وانتم بخير إن شاء الله بصحة وسلامة يا رب. This is the last lesson will be in this semester إن شاء الله. I'll give you an example about functions, how we can use functions to find the images of some values. Now, as you know, the meaning of a function is the relation in which each element of the domain has exactly one value in the range. Remember the meaning of domain, it means the input, which is x, and the range is the output, which is y. So when you substitute x in the function, you will get y, which is the range. So when you substitute the domain, you will get the range. It's very important to know the meaning of domain and range. Remember, domain is the input and the range is the output. The range is y and the domain is x. I'll give you this example. If f of x, this is how we can read this one. F of x equals 5x plus 1. F of x, it means this function, which is y. يعني y equals f of x. When you substitute x, you will get y. It's a symbol, just a symbol. Y equals f of x, the same meaning. 5x, 5 times x plus 1. Another function, g of x, equals x minus 3. So this is input, this is the output after substituting x. Now find f of 1. F of 1, it means x is 1 here. This is f of x, this is x. If you substitute instead of x by 1, f of 1. So here x is 1. How can I solve it? Equals, look, substitute x by 1 because f of 1. So 5 times 1 plus 1. 5 times 1, which is 5, plus 1, which is 6. So here, f of 1 equals 6. When x is 1, its image is 6. So here, the input is 1, the output is 6. This is the domain, this is the range. Now, g of 9, which means now g of x equals x minus 3. g of 9 يعني replace x by 9 يعني هاي 9 minus 3 هاي becomes 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. So here g of 9 equals 6. g of 9 equals 6. يعني when the value of x is 9, the value of y is 6. This is the input. When the input is 9, the output is 6. Now, find f of 0 plus 3 g of 9. يعني هاي ال 3 times g of 9. Now, f of 0, we need first we need to find f of 0. Here we found g of 9 from the previous step. Now we want to find f of 0, which is, now I write f of x again here, equals 5x plus 1. Now here, this is 0, this is 0, okay? Substitute x by 0. 5 times 0 plus 1. 5 times 0, 0, remember, plus 1, 1. So f of 0 equals 1. When x is 0, the input is 0, the output is 1. Now, back here, f of 0 is 1 plus 3 high 3 times. g of 9 is 6 from here. Hi, g of 9 is 6 times 6. Now remember with math. 3 times 6, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So the value of this expression is 19. Now g of 5 divided by 2 f of 1 plus 1. Hi, given from the first step, from previous steps. Now we need to find g of 5. G of 5. Again, g of x in general equals x minus 3. Now, g of 5, it means replace this 5, يعني x here by 5. يعني 5 minus 3, which is 2. Now, back here, g of 5 is 2. G of 5 is 2. When x is 5, the output is 2. Now, g of 5 is 2. So here again, 2 divided by 2 times f of 1. F of 1 is 6. We found that f of 1 is 6 from the previous steps. Plus 1. Now, بدماس equals. Now, 2 divided by 2 times 6, 12 plus 1, 13. So, the value of this expression is 2 out of 13. كل عام وانتم بخير مس، وإن شاء الله تضلكم بصحة وسلامة يا رب. ادرسوا منيح للفاينل. مش صعب ومش سهل بنفس الوقت. تمام. thank you so much.